I know trig can be intimidating, so here's a quick introduction to trig functions. So trig functions give us the ratio of side lengths of a right triangle. So if this is our angle, we can label the side lengths like this. So sine gives us opposite over hypotenuse, cosine gives us adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent gives us opposite over adjacent. So let's take a look at sine of 30 degrees equals 1/2. Remember, sine gives you opposite over hypotenuse. So what this means is that if this is a 30-degree angle, the ratio of the side lengths of opposite to hypotenuse is 1 to 2. So let's practice. So if the opposite side is 5 inches, what's the hypotenuse? 10 inches. If the opposite side is 4 meters long, how long is the hypotenuse? 8 meters long. Last one. If the hypotenuse is 12 feet long, how long is the opposite side? 6 feet long. Now, it's not always going to be as nice as this, as we see over here, but the idea is still the same. It's a ratio of side lengths. Now, we can go the other way. We can determine angle measures as well. So if our goal is to determine angle measure theta, and we have all three side lengths, we can use any of these three trig functions. I'm going to use sine. So sine is opposite over hypotenuse, so I'm going to write sine of theta equals 12 over 13. So to determine angle measure theta, I do sine inverse of 12 over 13. So you type this in your calculator. I want my answer in degrees, so I make sure that I'm in degree mode, and I see that the answer is roughly 67.38 degrees. So remember that trig functions give you the ratio of side lengths of a right triangle, and we can use the setup to determine angle measures as well. Now you might be asking, well, what about if we have a triangle that's not a right triangle? And that is a great question. We would use law of cosines or law of sines, and I will explain these in another video.